Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this Independence Day makeup look. Because it's a colorful eye makeup look, I'm starting with my eyes. First I'm applying this concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. We have pigmentation on our eyes, so that's why it's important to apply the concealer before we start with the eyeshadows. It will give a smooth and even base. I have zoomed you in so that you can see the eye makeup properly. Once the concealer is blended, I am applying this setting powder on my eyes so that the concealer doesn't move and the eyeshadows can blend smoothly. I am taking this Beauty Glazed Color Studio palette and I am taking this orange color and I am blending it in my crease. I am slowly building the color. This eyeshadow palette is not that great, it's not pigmented also, so that's why it's taking long time to blend the eyeshadows. I'm taking this NYX Ultimate Edit palette and I'm taking a light orange color and blend that color with the previous color on my crease. It will make the crease look more diffused and smooth. Then I am taking this burnt orange color and I am going to apply this all over my lids and in my crease. Because I was not happy with the color payoff, I am picking the shadow with the finger and then applying it. Applying with a finger will help in intensifying the color. Next I am taking that light orange color and then blending on my crease. On my other eye, I am going to take green color from the Color Studio palette and I am applying it on my outer corner and my crease. You have to build up the color slowly by layering it and make sure that all the colors are blended together properly. Now I am removing the tape. Now I am cleaning the fallouts with a wipe. Next I am taking a pencil brush and taking that green color from the NYX palette and applying it on my lower lash line. If you are not getting enough color payoff with any eyeshadow, you can spray your setting spray on the brush and then pick up the eyeshadow. It will give more intense payoff. I am blending it slowly and joining it with the upper outer corner. Next I am taking that orange shade and I am applying it on my other eye's lower lash line. Once I am done with my eyeshadow, I am going to take this Nykaa Glamorize Kajal. It's a very dark blue color and I am applying it on my waterline and upper lash line. This kajal is very pigmented and creamy and it applies very smoothly also. I am creating a small winged eyeliner. Now I am starting with my base makeup. First I am applying this primer from PAC. It's a pore minimizing primer. This will give you a very smooth base, and because this primer is tacky, it will hold on to the makeup for longer time. Next I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. First I will apply on dots on my face. And then I am blending it with a beauty blender. Make sure that you apply your foundation on the neck and blend it properly. This foundation is a medium coverage foundation. Next I am taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I am applying very little amount of that under my eyes and on bridge of my nose just to highlight. Next I am taking the setting powder and setting it before the concealer creases. Next I am taking this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil and I am going to fill in my eyebrows. This pencil is very inexpensive but the quality is really good. I am taking a spoolie and brushing my eyebrows so that the product is evenly distributed. I totally forgot to apply mascara. Now I am applying bronzer. This is the Rimmel matte bronzer. It's in the shade Sun Bronze. Next I am taking the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. It's a very pretty coral blush. Next I am going to spray the setting spray on my face. Then I am blending all the products together with the beauty blender. Next I am taking this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. It's a very blinding highlight and it looks good on all Indian skin tones. Always apply highlighter on the bridge of your nose and on the cheekbones. Lastly, I'm applying this matte lipstick. This is in the shade Velvet Teddy. And that's it. That's my Independence Day special makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Take care.